Are you looking for a school able to welcome your children as boarders on a permanent or a weekly basis? An important step for you and for them. We live in a society where each day complexity makes the wonderful task of education more difficult. From nursery class right up to L, ES and S baccalaureate, our school on the contract provides education in optimal human and material conditions, giving also great importance to general knowledge and sports activities. Everyone puts a lot of personal efforts into caring for the children, especially in the permanent boarding context, which allows us to welcome foreign students. We set our heart on supporting the children through each step of their development, and the Christian spiritual dimension invites us to welcome all differences, according to the Gospel open-minded message. You would like to meet us? Here are our details.